The P0032 code indicates a high voltage issue in the heater control circuit for the Bank 1 Sensor 1 heated oxygen sensor, known as HO2S. Bank 1 is the side of the engine with cylinder number 1. Sensor 1 is the oxygen sensor positioned before the catalytic converter in the exhaust system. This means the engine control module, or ECM, is detecting excessive voltage over the expected 0.5 to 1.5 volt range in the sensor's heater circuit. The heated oxygen sensor, or HO2S, requires a specific operating temperature between 300 and 800 degrees Celsius to accurately measure oxygen levels in the exhaust gas. The heater element inside the sensor helps it reach this temperature quickly, typically within 20 to 60 seconds after a cold start. This ensures the sensor provides reliable data to the engine control module. During cold starts, when the engine and exhaust are not yet hot, the heater is especially important for immediate sensor function. Without a functioning heater, the sensor takes much longer to warm up, leading to inaccurate oxygen measurements. This can cause poor fuel economy and significantly increased vehicle emissions. Several issues can trigger the P0032 code. The most common causes include damaged wiring or connectors, which account for about 40% of cases. This involves shorts or opens in the heater circuit that prevent proper voltage flow. A faulty HO2S sensor itself is the next most common cause, making up 35% of P0032 codes. The sensor may fail to heat properly due to internal damage or contamination. Problems with the ECM or heater relay account for about 15% of cases. This can be due to control module faults or relay failures that interrupt the heater circuit. Finally, a blown fuse in the heater circuit causes 10% of P0032 codes. The fuse may fail from electrical overload or other circuit issues. Begin by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P032 code. Check for any related codes, such as P030 for low voltage or P0135 for sensor failure. Visually inspect the wiring and connectors for damage, corrosion, or rodent activity. If the sensor itself is faulty, which accounts for around 35% of P032 cases, replace it with an OEM equivalent sensor. These sensors typically cost between $50 and $150. Ensure the new sensor is properly installed and connected to avoid further issues. If you've checked the wiring, connectors, fuse, and sensor, and the P032 code persists, the problem might lie with the ECM or heater relay. These issues often require professional diagnosis and repair, potentially including ECM reprogramming.